Hello guys, actively welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial video I'll be showing you guys on how I was be able to achieve this. So firstly, I think in our previous tutorial we stopped at process of putting this. Okay, we stopped at something like this. I'm coming, something like this. I thought something like this. So I will show you guys on how I arrange everything and how I was able to achieve the other design I sent in the group. So just go stay active with me. Just stay active and look out how we did this. Very simple without wasting time. So here is the other background we applied. This white one at the back. So we are going to fix it so that the shape will be exactly as the shape of this icon here. That is this icon, you can see it. I'm shifting. So firstly, let me go back and pick the shape again so that you can see it for yourself. Okay, here's the shape. The shape is at the back of the icon. So for you to fix the shape here in that space, you just have to, okay, let me shift it, or let me just show you how I was made. Here's the shape I took. Here's the shape. Here's how the shape looks like. So for you to just resize it, you have to resize everything and just go straight to the shape and look. Okay, is that thing okay? Then you can check. Though you have two ways of doing this. You either took a frame that has already white background inside, is very easy to achieve also, or you can use transparent frame. So this one I'm using is a transparent frame. That is why you can see I have to use this white background in it. So the next thing now is to shift everything and make it to be at the center. So now you can see this one is at the center. So I have to take this one again and resize it to the center so that everything will look perfect the way I want it. So you can see it's now at the center. So you can see, but we are still having white background at the down, so you have to shift it up like this. So now you can see it's perfect. Everything is arranged the way we want it. Just look at this now. I think we have made an attempt, like we are going forward, like we are achieving what we want. So let's arrange this top here before we go further. Just arrange this logo to the center. I think center will be okay. Then you can shift this one, take it to up, then you can resize it, just resize it a little bit, not that much. Okay, something like this. Then you can take this one up, something like this. Then you can take this one also up like this. Nine is so just take it like this up. Once you take it like this up, then you can also arrange this one to up like this, something like this. After taking it up this, then you can just apply the color of the brand. We have the yellow color, you can apply this, something like this one. You can see we are good to go. And again, you can also change the color. Okay, maybe the color is too bright, something like that. You can also change the way of the color. Okay, let me use something like this so that it will not be too bright. Okay, I'll be using this color, so you can also change this color so that at least it will show up. It will not be too light in the video. Okay, something like this. It will not be too light in the design. So I have something like this. Then what next again? This contact. Here is the contact. So I will be shifting this one. Nevertheless, I don't want to use this one. I'll just duplicate. I'll keep on duplicating. So this one will be for contact. Then the other third one will be for the address. So this one is going to be location. Though we can just use address anyway. It's either address or location. So I'll be using the word location because it's just like a design for a brand. So we use the word location. Location is more better. So you can see I'll use the word location. In this video I have this location here. So having this location here, I think it's okay. So I'll just copy this down and also have it at this side. I'll just use branch. We have something like branch. Okay, I have this as branch. So I'll look our location. I'll use location. Okay, where is the location of the band? Location of the band. Okay, I have something like, okay, Abaji FCT Abuja. I'm using my hometown, something like that. Something, okay, I have this Abaji FCT Abuja. So having this, then we have to change the color of the location to blue because we are working with colors. So blue color branch. Then we can use um the address of where it's located. Okay, here in Isuk. So I'm gonna use the location here. I have something like Anguan Lambu, or how do you call yourself? Something like this, Anguan Lambu. Unsuk, something like this. I'm using this address as the location, the branch. Okay, here's the branch. So I'm going to put it like this. I have this like this. So what is missing here is the contact of the brand. Okay, I'm using this as the contact of the brand. Let me use something like this as the contact. Okay, don't mind me. Let me arrange everything so that you won't be confused here. So I have to bold this a little bit so that I can see it. I have this, so I will copy this down here and write the contact of the brand. So I'll be using the contact of the brand. I have 081. Let me use my contact. 08168985912. At least you have to have two contacts in case if the other one is not going, the other one can go. So you can see I have this now ready. Just change the color to blue color also so that everything will be unique. And again, in this contact we don't need boldness. You just need to remove the boldness here. Removing the boldness here, you have everything is ready. So having this everything is ready, you just apply the shape here. You can see we having shape here, so just apply the shape and we are good to go. So applying the shape now is very easy. Just pick another shape, just the kind of shape we used before. We are going to use that same shape here in this design so that we can achieve what is there. So you can see here's the shape. So what next? Just arrange the shape and have it. Okay, I have something like this here. I think something like this is okay. So you can just take it down, take it down a little bit. So just apply a color, just apply a white color here to the shape. I think white color shape is okay. Okay, I have something like this. Style a little bit of this and don't need boldness, or just use this one. Then the color of the border has to be blue, something like this. We are good to go. I have this. So what next again? How to apply the text of what we are selling. So I will just write something like we sell. I don't know if you can get me right. So I just write we sell. Okay, I have this we sell. Or you can see dealers. You understand? Dealers in all kinds of something like this. I don't know, but let me just use the word resell. Then I have to change the font size, like the font, the size of the font and the color of the font and everything, so that I'll have a unique design. So having this like this, I have this resell. So having this resell, I have this something like this. So I have to change the color to be a yellow color, same as the other one. So I just do it like this. Then we can just have a short brief write up. All kinds of all kinds of all kinds of jalabia, jawad and other. Okay, jalabia, cap, jawad and more. I don't want to waste much time. Though you have to name all the products you have applied there, all the products at that up. You have to use that right up there so that I can use it. But I don't want to waste much time in this video so that it won't be a very long video again. So just use the just put it like this. I have this like this. Then you can just put blue color. Then at the end you have something like we deliver nationwide. I just want to use that text. We deliver nationwide. I don't want to waste much time so that it will be very long. We deliver nationwide. I have this. We deliver nationwide. So you have this something like this. Then you just apply the color and make it a little bit of boldness. Like just apply a little bit of boldness to this write up and take it to the down step so that you have what you want. So having this like this, though the write up is not that much, but at least just put it like this. Okay, we are good to go. What next again? You have to put the menu write ups there and others. Though this shape is very small, just that I don't want to waste much time, sure. I don't want to waste much of the time here in this video. That is why I have to just make everything brief. I just want to make it a very brief so that you won't waste much time. So having this shape, I'll use this line here. I'll just apply this line here. I'll just put it something like this. And just do something like this. At least that's right up there, that is there and unders. So I'll just write ambassadors with it, things like that. At least I don't want to waste much time. Okay, you can write ambassadors textile Nigeria. Ambassadors. I have something like ambassadors textile, and I have to put it textile Nigeria Limited. Okay, I have something like this. I think this is good to go. Just resize it also and put it down here. Though the write-up being used, the other one is different from this, but I don't want to waste much of your times here in this one. So what next again? That thing that is showing shop now and other things, that is next thing we need to put, so that I won't waste much of your time in this video. So here's the shop now. I have shop now here. I'll just apply the color, white color to each shop now. So I have to rotate it. I have to rotate it a little bit so that I have the shop now this down. Okay, I have something like this shop now. So I think I'm good to go. Then apply another shape and put the contacts whereby they can contact me on WhatsApp if they need my services and others. So I have something like this white color here. Or okay, I don't need this kind of shape. I just use this kind of shape. I'll just use it like this, something like this. I will place it down here. Then I'll just make it a little bit. Okay, I think we are good to go. So having this like this, what next remain? The next thing remain here for you to do is just write the name, the contact. Okay, just write a contact in this box 08168985912. Okay, I think we are good to go. I just want to make it a very bit snappy because it's not easy. This video has been a very long video, so I have to make it a very speed snappy so that you can see it. But what next again? I have to put the icons, the social media icons. The okay, something like TikTok. Okay, I'm good at in TikTok. I'll just use something like TikTok here. What next again? I'll just apply the color of the TikTok. Okay, I want to use white. I have something like white here. Then what next again? I have my Instagram icon. Oh, I'm good at Instagram. So I'll use the Instagram icon at this down. Then I'll apply my Instagram name. I think with that I'm good to go. And we are done with this design. Though you can also edit it as much as the way you want it to be. Just look this as a tutorial. Like this is just a sample to guide you all. Because I see a simple design, but looking at the way things are, this is becoming a bulky design, but nevertheless you can still do this. This is it's very easy. So what next again? Ambassadors textile. Ambassadors. Okay, I have the ambassadors textile. How do I write ambassadors? Ambassadors textile. And be mind of your text you are using. Maybe sometimes you have error in your text, and that will make your design look very rough or other. Okay, so you have to make sure the text are correct when writing them. So use the white, the color white. I think with this I think we are good to go. That is all about this design. We have got the design. I think we are good to go. So that is all. You can see you have something like this. So you are okay to go. You can download everything. And maybe you have more text to put or something like that you want to explain, you can add it. And that is all. Thank you for watching.